How to fix Gmail not receiving emails issues on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your mail. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down a bit and tap on settings. Now select your Google account. Now scroll down a bit. Now enable sync Gmail. Again, enable dynamic email. Now go back to your home page. Now tap on the three lines. Now tap on spam. You can also check your spam for any other emails. If this doesn't fix your issue, go back to your home screen. Now keep holding Gmail app. Now tap on info icon. Now scroll down a bit. Now tap on forced up. Again tap on forced up. Now go to storage uses and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. So by following this simple step, you can fix your Gmail not receiving emails issues on Android. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.